one of the most valuable things that we do for people is when we do an inspection, and again, given that we have the credentials that we have, we actually think and know to do this, is we give you an inspection report on that date, or it'll come the next day, but it'll be stamped on the day that we inspected it with all of our credentials. Again, one that we're, a Hague engineer looked at your roof and a licensed roofer looked at your roof on this day. And so if you don't have damage, and there's nothing to be alarmed about, there's no claim to file, having that report is super valuable because the insurance companies have weather data for years, right? And if 5-10 years down the road, sometime in the future, you have a problem with your roof and you file a claim, it's very often that insurance companies will try to say, hey, this is old damage from a storm that was 3 years ago. And
Mhm.
typically you only have about a year to file a claim. Everyone's policy is different, but more often than not, it's about a year. And so insurance companies will often try to blame storms that are more than a year ago for creating the damage or whatever the situation that you are actually claiming for, so they
Mhm.
can get out of paying for it. Now, if you have a report from us from 3 years ago that said on this date, a Hague engineer, a licensed roofer said my roof was in perfectly fine condition, well, that's your get out of jail free card. And now
Mhm.
that puts that on the onus on the that they have to actually pay up for the recent thing that you're currently filing a claim about. But yeah, if there's no damage, that's super valuable because that can save you tens of thousands of dollars in the future.